Ever wonder how a bold abstract painting comes to life? In this real-time session, I'm going to be working on this huge canvas. It's still in the very early stages, so there's no real plan yet, just intuitive flow. I'll be painting quietly for a while so you can enjoy the process, and then I'm going to stop and show you the paints I'm using. And today I'm going to answer a viewer question. So let's get to it. First, I'm going to start with just I want to add a few more marks. So if you've seen me paint before, you know I do this quite often. And I can see I forgot some black, just a little black. I've switched up the color palette, I think, for this painting, just at least to start. This was much too dark, so I'm changing this a little bit. But like I said, no real plan yet. It's very early on. Here are the colors I'm using on my palette today. I have titanium white, yellow ochre, Payne's gray, raw umber, and this is sort of an off-white called Parchment, which I like to use. So I'm getting a lot of soft grays, warm and cooler grays, and the yellow ochre and the Payne's gray will make a really lovely soft green, which I'll be mixing up. But just wanted to let you see the colors, and I'll list everything in the description as well. So what I'm just doing really is putting down a first layer, and I'm just intuitively putting marks down. I'm not thinking about it. I'm just stepping back every now and then and seeing where I want to put a mark. There's really no rhyme or reason, but at the same time there is, because I'm just reacting to it. If I put something down, like if I put a mark down, then that changes everything, which makes me consider the next mark that I put down. And I'm not even really conscious of doing this. It just happens. Until the much later stages of the painting, where that I make decisions on composition, and I alter colors. Here I'm just using the end of my brush to get some great marks happening. While the paint's still wet, you can see what's underneath. I really like that. Okay, I might let it dry for a few minutes. So, I have a question here. One of my viewers in one of my earlier videos asked, where is it? It's right here. Shalini asks, how does one choose the color palette for abstract art? Really, I think that depends on you, the artist, and what you feel like. Honestly, that's one of the struggles I have every now and then, because choosing a color palette can be very overwhelming, actually, especially if you like all the colors. But as you keep sketchbooks and make notes on things you like, and as you go through life, you gather things that you like. So I know I'm very drawn to water, so blues, blue water themes. Those are very big with me. A lot of my paintings were blue for a while, and still are. And yeah, that depends on really what you feel. It's a very personal thing, because there's no, I don't think there's a right answer, really. Just choose what you like, choose what moves you, choose the colors that you're drawn to naturally. And like I said, you'll find that out as you pursue sketchbooks, journals, art journals. I keep a sketchbook I rip out things from magazines, colors that I like, and I keep like a little book. of that, and keep another sketchbook with just different color combinations. I'll just mix colors every now and then, and keep track of those. And maybe that's a very good topic for an upcoming video. So thanks, Shalini, for that question. So it's getting rather dark now. There's a lot of dark areas, and I'm going to just keep adding layers and colors. Just to, I'll be lightening it up a little bit as we go along. I haven't really got a plan yet for this, but I am being inspired lately by water. So reflections in the water and the reflections of the leaves and trees by the water. So I think it's coming out in what I've been doing lately. If you're enjoying these real-time painting videos, please like and share. And if you're thinking of subscribing, that would be great. It would help my channel to grow. So again, just really intuitively putting marks where I just feel something's needed. And like I said, a lot of this will be covered up in the end, so, but it makes a difference in the layers, creates visual texture. And a wonderful looseness to the canvas. Yeah. That happens sometimes. This is real life. Okay, I think that's what all I'm feeling today. If you enjoyed this video, please leave me a comment. I'd love to hear what you think. I'm still so new at this YouTube game, but hopefully with each video I'm getting better. And be sure to hit that like button and subscribe if you can. It'd be wonderful to help my channel grow. And that's it for today. I'm going to continue and work on this, and then I'll show you the finished piece.